this shit, but I'm a lyrical weapon. You niggas who you testing, don't test me. This ain't no fucking class participation. Come through, kill the doctor, fuck the patient. Ain't no saving on my niggas, spraying on me, getting that dough, coming through with the bandanas on their face. Beat the case, cause I beat the case like anime, cause I got that dough so hot. When I look in the sky, I see the bills. What's up with you for real? Niggas better go hit and get their NyQuil, cause they don't drink that lean. Them niggas is not in this thing. My niggas be banging like they from Little Rock. And they got them big rocks. Why you on the block with them little rocks? Like you from Arkansas. Hit you up with the saw. Torture your ass like the movie Saw. You ain't seen what I saw. You ain't did what I did. You see that shit, nigga, you a fled. Niggas coming through, stunting straight out the projects, and they flexing, and they got their weapon on the side of them. Messing around, nigga, you be dying right on the side of them. Niggas that want to step up, so don't step up unless you got your checks up. I ain't messing around.